This Saturday, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, Bobi Wine, akwatidde National Unity Platform, bendera mu kalulu akagenda olondebwa ennaku z'omwezi nga 15 omwezi ogwa January omwaka ogwa 2026, is expected to be in Gulu City. Gyagenda okuba nga akuba rally ye according to the roadmap ey'akakiiko k'ebyokulonda. Ekiro ekyakeseza olunaku lw'ejjo, amawulire gasakulatinze all over social media abatamanya ngamba balumbye offices za National Unity Platform eGulu, ne bagivandalizinga, ne bayonoona ebintu, ne batwala n'ebimu, newankubadde nga abantu babadde tebanaba nga bamanyikibwa. Just a few hours ago, akwatidde NUP bendera ku kifo kya Ekitebbe wa district oba ekibuga kya Gulu City, avuddeyo n'ayogera ebyatuuseewo na buli kimu. Muno mwategezeza n'eggwanga baani ababadde emabega w'okulumba Ekitebbe ekya National Unity Platform mu kibuga kya Gulu. Njagala ate naawe gwatulaba weewulirireko ate tube nga tukomawo. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow, make sure you leave a comment in the commentary section. Katukomewo.
Dear fellow comrades, I greet you all. I am reporting from our office in Gulu City. Call me Okello Samuel Sebi, aspiring LC5 chairman Gulu. And as you can see, last night, a group being led by army, they blocked this road. You can show to people, let them see. They blocked this road, and they blocked the other one, that side, the other side of the route, and they came and broke into our office here in Gulu. I know the intention of doing this is just to disorganize our party with the mobilization for the coming of our president, His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. And their main intention of doing this thing is just specifically to make sure that this place must be a crime scene so they can seal off the entire place. And that is their plan. They want to seal off the area, that this area is a crime scene area. We want to say this, that the people who did this, they are those who should be keeping the law, but they are the one breaking the law. They destroyed the CCTV camera, and we got the information that they have ordered the owner of these cameras not to give the footage to anybody. Even when we asked them for the footage, they refuse to give us the footage. That they have been instructed not to give the footage to anyone. Comrades, I want to say that what is happening is very unfortunate, because we have now reached to a point where the regime is now in a panicking mood. Because what will they going to gain by destroying our office like this? What will they going to gain? What will benefit them by vandalism? What will they benefit out of it? What will they going to benefit out of it? It is very, very unfortunate that those in the security, they have become insecurity to us. It's very unfortunate. But I want to tell you, be strong in a battle. When you see your enemies, they are in a panic, you know you are the one winning. So it is us who are winning. I want you to be very strong, and I want you to know that the struggle we are in, our president will win. Whether they broke our office like this, whether they arrest some of us, whether they do what, we are going to win. We cannot be intimidated. This kind of intimidation, it will not going to take them anywhere. This kind of intimidation, it will going to help our people to know how strong we are. As people of Uganda, of course, we are more stronger than anything. So I want to thank all of you, and we are so grateful that the direction we have taken is the right direction. And I will kindly request all of you, let us keep on with the struggle. They want to surround this place as a crime scene, and that is why they broke into our office. The intention of breaking our office is to surround the area as a crime scene. But as leaders, we say no, we are not going to report this. Since it is the security who did these things, we shall not report a criminal to a criminal. Okay? We shall not going to do that. What we are just going to do is to continue with our organization to see that our president come and officially open our office. Because they want to block President Bobi Wine from opening our office. And that is what they want. They want to block him from opening the office. But their plan will not going to work because we are not going to do that. If they think that we are going to fall into their traps, then they are wrong. We are a generation of the 21st century and we are in 2025. We are not of those one of 1986. So you should know that we are not those of 1986. We are ahead of you guys with all your reasoning. Your time, you do your things without knowing computer. But for us now, we are ahead of you because we are very good in this game you are playing. So the struggle will continue. And we shall make sure that President will come and open this office.
All right, that is exactly what happened mu Gulu City. Wetwogerere sawa zino tekikyaliko kweka. Oyo ye Ssentebe akwatidde National Unity Platform ku kifo kya Ssentebe wa City ya Gulu ategeezezza eggwanga ekyabaddewo. Mu kwogera kwe agambye mbu abaalumbye Ekitebbe baabadde b'amagye baasazeeko enguudo eziyingira oba ezijja ku Kitebbe ne bakola buli kye baagala ne batwala buli kimu. Cameras ne bazoonoona ne bategeeza ne service provider wa cameras obutagaba footage. Oli ajja kwebuuza, why would police of all places, why would the army attack NUP offices in Gulu City? Kyemmanyi abasinga mubadde mwebuuza ekibuuzo ekyo nga nange wembadde nkyebuuza. Why of all places? Lwaki tebalumbye Mbarara? Lwaki tebalumbye Amorata? Lwaki tebalumbye Lira? Now, let me try break this for you. Okategeere. Gwe abadde takimanya Gulu eyo, ekibuga ky'Eggulu, Gulu City, tokituwala ng'akabugabuga. Yes. Ekyokubiri, ekibuga ky'Eggulu waliyo National Unity Platform eri Gumite. Eggulu eyo ye wali omusajja oli gw'owulira boogera mulya nnyo abayimbi nga bagamba abayimbi tugenda Gulu, awulira bannakatemba tugenda Gulu, bapromota tugenda Gulu, buli omu owulira agenda Gulu. Eggulu ye watula omukulu amanyikibbwa nga Salim Saleh. Salim Saleh is a brother to Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Era waliyo barracks Namba. So you cannot wake up one day and tell me all that happened without the know of that man. That is my own thinking. Akategedde tambuza video. Wampita simple.